Thinking and looking at relocation from a different perspective. Today, I'm not talking about the United Kingdom, Canada, the United States, or any European Union country. Japan is officially opening its workforce to global talent through two major immigration pathways created by the Japanese government. Specified skilled worker, Japan's main labor migration system. Highly skilled professional, fast-track visa for global experts. Hi, I am Ademola Michael Daniel Williams for One Nation Treasures, a travel consultant legally registered in Sweden, where I reside. I am not affiliated with any embassy or Ministry of Foreign Affairs. In this video, you will learn everything directly from official Japanese government sources. No agencies, no misinformation. We will cover complete visa explanation, requirements, salary and benefits, industries hiring foreigners, step-by-step application process, and official Japanese government job websites. Japan created new resident statuses to address labor shortages and attract international talent across industries. The specified skilled worker system, introduced in 2019, allows foreign nationals with verified skills to work immediately in shortage sectors. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Japan states this: program enables foreign workers to contribute using existing expertise without prior training. The specified skilled worker status allows foreign nationals to work in industries facing serious labor shortages in Japan. There are two types: Specified Skilled Worker Type 1 and Specified Skilled Worker Type 2. Specified Skilled Worker Type 1 conditions include a stay up to 5 years, the same salary as Japanese workers, and required company support. Japanese language training is provided, but family accompaniment is not allowed. The 16 government-approved fields include nursing care, construction, agriculture, food service, and food manufacturing. Also included are accommodation or hotels, aviation, automobile maintenance, shipbuilding, and railway operations. Finally, fisheries and aquaculture, forestry, the wood industry, building cleaning, industrial manufacturing, and transport services. These sectors are officially designated because Japan faces workforce shortages. Specified Skilled Worker Type 2 is a high-level pathway offering unlimited stay and the ability to bring your family for management or supervisory roles. This visa can become a long-term settlement pathway. According to the Immigration Services Agency, you must pass the Japanese language proficiency test, N4 or equivalent, pass a skills test for your industry, sign an employment contract, and apply for your status of residence. The second pathway is the highly skilled professional visa, which targets advanced global talent with a 5-year period of stay and faster immigration processing. Japan uses a points-based system evaluating your academic background, work experience, annual income, and professional achievements. Japan aims to attract engineers, researchers, IT professionals, and global business leaders. The Japan External Trade Organization provides the Open for Professionals portal, an official government global talent portal with a company database hiring foreigners. Hello, work public employment security offices and employment service centers for foreigners in Tokyo, Osaka, Nagoya, and Fukuoka offer nationwide job placement and support. Other official resources include the Specified Skilled Worker official portal, the Study in Japan Guide, and the Ministry of Economy, Trade and Industry Specified Skills System website. Japan is not just opening jobs, it is building structured legal migration pathways backed directly by government systems. Whether you are a skilled worker, graduate, engineer, hospitality worker, or researcher, Japan now offers clear immigration routes. Let us look at the facts about Japan. Its economy is the 4th largest globally, characterized as highly developed and stable, though growth is slow due to an aging population. Japan's education system consistently ranks among the strongest worldwide. Approximately 66% of young adults have tertiary education, significantly above the international average. As a global manufacturing powerhouse, Japan is a leader in automobiles, electronics, robotics, and shipbuilding. Industry contributes roughly 20% of its gross domestic product. Japan offers universal health care with a life expectancy of 84 years. It is also one of the safest countries in the world with very low crime rates and a strong social order. As a registered travel consultant, I base every recommendation on verified information from official government authorities, ensuring dependable and accurate travel guidance. I humbly advise you to do the same. Thank you for watching and God bless. Always remember that your greatest passport is knowledge. Bye for now. I will see you in the next video.